Ever wondered how protein powder fuels your muscles? Uncover the secrets of its production, from dairy farms to your shaker, and learn if it's safe for your health. We'll dive into whey protein's journey, its ingredients, and expert health tips for safe use. Subscribe for this fitness boost.
Protein powder is a go-to for bodybuilders and fitness buffs, but how's it made? We'll explore the process behind whey protein powder derived from milk and check if harmful additives sneak in. Plus, we'll share medical advice for users. Comment your favorite protein shake flavor. It all starts on dairy farms, where cows are raised in calm, healthy environments to produce top-quality milk. A good milking cow yields 30 liters daily, milked twice using automated machines. This milk, packed with proteins, fats, carbs, and minerals, is the foundation for cheese, whey, and protein powder. Fresh milk is stored in cooled tanks to stay bacteria-free and maintain quality. Specialized trucks transport it to cheese factories, where it's poured into refrigerated tanks. Quality checks ensure the milk is safe, followed by pasteurization, heating to 60 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes to kill harmful bacteria. Post-pasteurization. The milk is rapidly cooled to 4 degrees Celsius and retested for quality. It's then processed in large vats, where coagulating bacteria are added in a warm environment, separating the milk into curd granules for cheese and liquid whey, the star of protein powder production. The whey undergoes multiple steps to become protein powder. It's filtered to isolate proteins, then spray-dried to remove excess water. Industrial evaporators carefully vaporize water at low temperatures to preserve protein quality, leaving behind a moist powder that's sieved to remove clumps. This powder is mixed in large blenders to eliminate remaining moisture, yielding high-quality uniform whey protein. It's packed into airtight bags and sent to supplement factories, where it's transformed into the protein powders you buy. Ever wondered what's added next? Let's find out. At supplement factories, the powder is weighed and sifted through fine mesh to ensure purity. Machines or additional checks confirm it's free of impurities. Blenders mix in extras like sugars, artificial flavors, vitamins, minerals, or amino acids, boosting calories. Some powders have minimal sugar, others pack a lot. CNN reports some powders may contain unlisted ingredients, like stimulants. Dr. Larry Walker from the University of Mississippi stresses checking labels as the market's flooded with options. Nutritionists can guide if protein powder fits your diet or if whole foods suffice. The mixed powder heads to packaging. Empty cans move along conveyors, filled precisely by high-speed machines, hundreds daily. Each can is weighed for consistency. Then workers manually add scoops and seal lids. Labels with product details, usage instructions, and expiration dates are applied. A plastic ring is added to each lid for a tight seal, secured with heat by machines. The cans are packed into sturdy cartons for global shipping to stores. Love this protein powder deep dive? Comment your go-to brand, like, share, and subscribe for more food industry secrets.